How to save a route on Google Maps. Hello and welcome to One to Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can save a route on Google Maps. To save a route on Google Maps, you can use the Save feature to bookmark the route for later reference. Here's how you can do it. Open the Google Map application on your mobile device, and once you reach to this page, you click on the Search Here button at the top and enter your starting point and destination to plan your route. To entering your destination, Google Maps will display the route with various options for travel mode. You can choose the route that you want to save. Once you have set it, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, and from the menu that appears, click on Add Route to Home Screen. Now it will be saved to your home screen. To access your saved routes later, you can go to your home screen and then you can click on it and find the same route whenever you need it for future reference. So by doing so, you can save route on Google Maps. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. So hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.